Hi guys, good morning. So today I'm actually starting off my week going to the gym for the first time in Malta. We found a gym like 10 minutes walk away from the house, and at first it seemed far, but I just decided that I'll use it as my cardio because the roads in this place are very hilly, so I might not do too much. I'll do like, I don't know, 30 minutes, 45 minutes of basic workout. So come with me. Hello.
Hello.
Hi guys, I want to unbox this thing. I got a package today from Malta Post. I actually ordered it a week ago, exactly a week ago today. It's a nail set, kind of a manicure set. Comes with the light for drying and everything. I just want to unbox it. I ordered it from Amazon 1 week ago. This is my package. So let me tell you the history of me, what led to me ordering this thing. So I had actually checked before coming here the nail stores because I'm kind of obsessed with making my nails, and I was seeing something like 60 euros or something like that, but I was actually mistaken. Maybe that was the particular set of nail stores that I saw, and I was like, 60 euros, okay. Anyways, and I said I'm going to buy my own set and I'm going to start making my nails myself, because I actually do have an idea on how to make the nails. And I ordered it, and then when I came, my landlady, I saw her nails and I was like, I like your nails. How much did you get them done? I think she said 20 euros, and I was like, okay, so it's actually not as expensive as I thought, but I'm still going to do mine myself. I mean, to whatever extent that I can. So okay, this is the first. And then it has, I think these are, let me just check. They're pretty small though. Okay. They're good enough for me. And then it has the machine remove. Oh my goodness. This is matte top coat. These containers are so small, but they would work. I mean, so that's about it though. I'm going to start using it from today because my nails they're already, I think I've had these nails for over a month or so and they're already gone. I'll start using them from now and I'll show what they look like. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video.